This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate fudge with dark chocolate. First, gather your ingredients. About 16 ounces of dark chocolate, 1 cup of butter, and 3 cups of granulated sugar. You'll also need 1 5-ounce can of evaporated milk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Prepare a 9-inch by 9-inch baking pan by lining it with parchment paper, leaving an overhang for easy removal. This preparation ensures a smooth process. Next, combine the granulated sugar, evaporated milk, and butter in a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Place it over medium heat, stirring constantly until the sugar dissolves and the butter melts completely. Bring the mixture to a full, rolling boil and continue boiling for exactly 5 minutes without stirring. This precise timing is crucial for achieving the correct fudge consistency, so keep a close eye on it. After 5 minutes, remove the saucepan from the heat immediately. Quickly add the 16 ounces of dark chocolate chips or chopped dark chocolate, along with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Stir vigorously until the chocolate is completely melted and the mixture is smooth and glossy. Continue beating until the fudge thickens and starts to lose its shine, then pour it into your prepared pan. Allow the fudge to cool completely at room temperature for at least 2 hours, or chill it in the refrigerator for about 1 hour to speed up the process. Once firm, use the parchment paper overhang to lift the fudge from the pan. Cut it into 1-inch squares using a sharp knife. Store your delicious dark chocolate fudge in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 1 week. For more great tips and deals, check the description below, including a link to a fantastic book about money.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.